Number 1. Which of the following definitions best matches the way the word stretch is used in the above paragraph? Head down and bent over almost double on the road during the Central Texas summer. I pushed Kinney to the intersection with Parrish, a slightly busier street in Strickland. We looked both ways twice, as we had been taught, and then scurried across the street and turned left for a half-block stretch to Miss Andrews' store. So what does stretch mean in that sentence? A, something that seems beyond what is normal. B, the length or extent of an area. C, a continuous period of time. D, the amount of elasticity of something. Number 2. A celebrity is all about the fame temporarily, superficial fame, unusual for qualities that are easy to see. A pretty face, a good hook shot, a great dance move. A hero, by contrast, is about character qualities beneath the surface that aren't visible until they prompt action. Qualities like courage, hope, compassion, and perseverance. The origin of the word superficial, from the Latin super, on top of, facies, or face. Based on this information, what is the meaning of the word superficial in this paragraph? F, not known. G, unexpected. H, undervalued. J, without depth. Number 3. The engineers at University of Engineering and Technology of Peru thought about how Lima's extreme water shortage problem could have solved. They noticed that even though the rainfall in Lima was scant, the humidity was high. Due to the city's coastal location, humidity can be higher than 90% on summer days. The engineers wondered whether they could harness the moisture in the air. Which words from this paragraph help the reader understand what scant means? F, coastal location. G, extreme water shortage. H, even though the rainfall. J, problem could be solved. Number 4. Teams with non-deaf players could not hear each other on the court. The Bison's deaf players, on the other hand, had only to briefly glance at one another to know the next play. The other team's players would also not be able to overhear the upcoming plays, often communicated through sign leg gestures and mouth movements. And when the opposing team's coach called a play, sometimes Cook could communicate these messages to his team. In contrast, few opposing coaches understood sign language and were therefore not privy to the Bison playbook. In this paragraph, the phrase privy to means A, knowledgeable of. B, amused by. C, happy with. D, worried about. Five, I told her that, with all due respect, I do not think I owed Grandma and Grandpa a letter, and then I stated my case to show that fact. I had been such a wonderful help while I was there with Grandpa, and Grandpa would probably want to write me a letter. Which definition best matches the way the word do is used in this paragraph? A, expected to occur at a specific time. B, able to meet the obligation. C, accepted as appropriate. Or D, being a cause of.